All right, ma'am. Are you Kyla Allen?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 23 DCCR 0639. Ms. Allen was placed on probation October of 2023 for evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. In court, previously entered pleas of true and a motion to revoke probation to counts 1 through 10. I've received that updated pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor.
State has, Judge.
Are there any additions or corrections to that report?
None that I'm aware of, Judge.
Not from the state, Judge.
And this is unagreed. Mr.
Correct.
Parker, you may proceed.
Your Honor, all I can say is, these violations are all technical, even though, I understand that they're still serious and you have to follow the rules of probation. She's young, she's 19 years old. I think being in jail has opened her eyes, and she wants to complete probation. She has quite a bit of time behind this, and my deal was, take the time. She said, I don't want to do it. And she's sincere. She says, I want to prove to myself and prove to everybody else that I can complete this probation. And she has the opportunity. She has a job waiting for her. She gets out, and she's requesting this stay on probation. And she'd like to address it for the judge.
Go ahead, ma'am.
I just want to say I own up to all my wrongdoings. I do. I know it was wrong. I knew it was wrong when I was doing it, and I regret it, but I want to prove that I can do better, and I'm not the person that I got to be. I'm young. I want to build my relationship back up with my people, make it stronger, build my trust. Just do the right thing, make it right before it's too late.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Coleman?
Your Honor, this is Mr. Smith's case. I'm under the understanding that Mr. Smith made a 3-year offer in this case. I am cognizant of the fact that recommendations from probation department on the last page states that while the defendant's violations are mainly technical in nature, this officer is not inclined to recommend continuation of supervision at this time. So with that, my position is the same as Mr. Smith's, that should be revoked and some jail time.
Ms. Lopez, do you have anything to add other than what's in the update? So, Ms. Allen, the only thing that I'm inclined to do if I continue, you are young. You don't have a lot of criminal history. This is your first felony, no misdemeanors. Of course, you're young, but you were actually certified as an adult for this, which is, I don't know, certifying on an evading is a little, I guess it's because she was so close to age, but still that's. So here's the thing. You're not going to go home today. Okay. If I continue you on probation, which you don't want a felony conviction. At this age, it changes your life in a very negative way, but you obviously need some, in my opinion, just a little more help to make better decisions. And so what I'm going to do is find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 10 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and send you to prison. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to continue you on probation, but I am going to order that you now enter and successfully complete the cognitive track of the ISF program. So you went to the substance abuse track so that you could get tools to stay clean. This track helps you make better decisions, helps you grow up. It's hard at 19 to make the decisions that you need to make to be able to stay on this probation, and this is meant to help you. And so you'll go from jail to that program, you'll get out, you're still going to be on probation. You will be on zero tolerance probation. That means if you make another mistake, Ms. Lopez is going to send something over. There's going to be another motion. I'm going to look back at this. Mr. Coleman and Mr. Smith are going to remind me that they asked for prison time this time, and it's probably not going to be the 3 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. All right? Good luck to you, ma'am. You can go back with the bailiff. Come back for a second.
Jail.
Well, I just want to make sure of something else. I want to make sure you understand something else. That if you get incident reports in our jail or in ISF, that will be a violation of your probation. And you may not ever make it to ISF. So if you are if you're going to say things to the correctional officers, not do what they say, and tell them that you don't care about getting a write-up, but say those things in a lot worse ways, then you're going to go to prison. And you're not going to go to prison for 3 years. They're just there doing their jobs. If you follow the rules, they'll probably leave you alone. If not, their job is to make you follow the rules. And if you can't follow the rules in our jail, then I don't assume that you can follow the rules on probation, which you're kind of showing a pattern here. So it's time to grow up, change all that, or you're going to prison. It's that simple. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Go.